This is a documentary video about the Antwerp Diamond Heist. The people in it are not real, the voice is not real, the video is not real either. I did not film anything, I did not pay for anything. Everything you're about to see was made with free AI tools, and I'm going to show you the full process step by step. First, open the prompt document. The link to this document is in the description below. Now open a new browser tab, search for ChatGPT and open it. Log into your account if you have not. Go back to the prompt document and copy the whole prompt from the very first line to the very last line. Come back to ChatGPT, paste the prompt and send it. Now, ChatGPT gives us 10 documentary ideas. You can pick one of them or ask for more if you do not like any of these. I like the Antwerp Diamond Heist, so I copy it, paste it in the prompt box and send it. Now, ChatGPT asks us to choose the video length. I'm only showing the workflow here, so I choose 30 seconds. You can type it or paste it and send it. ChatGPT now gives us the character sheet. It lists every character with its details, and it also gives an image prompt to generate that sheet. Now open a new browser tab, search for Google Flow, open it and log in with your account. After logging in, it brings you to this page. You can see here that I am on a free account. Free users get 50 Google Flow credits every day. That is 5 videos of 6 seconds each. Now click the New Project button. It takes us into the project. First, we set the generation settings for the image. Generation type image, aspect ratio 16:9, model Nano Banana 2, generation count 1x. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the character sheet image prompt. Come back to Flow, paste it in the prompt box and click Generate. Now we wait for it. In under 30 to 40 seconds, our character sheet is generated. Let's take a look at it. The character sheet looks good. Now go back to ChatGPT, type done and send it. ChatGPT gives us the script and the voiceover script. Now open a new tab, search for ElevenLabs and open it and log in with your account. If you're logging into ElevenLabs for the first time, it asks you a few basic questions and then it brings you to this page. Here, click the text-to-speech button. Now go back to ChatGPT and paste the voiceover script. Remove the parts you do not need, like the word scene and its number. Now come here and select a voice. Lily is already here from an earlier session. You can choose any voice you want and you can listen to it by clicking the play button. I will choose Lily, then click the generate speech button.
Antwerp, Belgium, 2003. A small crew targeted the city's heavily protected diamond district. They spent months studying the building's security, sensors, cameras, locks, one system after another. Then they...
The voice sounds good. You can download the audio by clicking this download button. Now go back to ChatGPT, type start and send it. It generates both the image prompt and the animation prompt for all 5 scenes. Copy the first image prompt and go back to Google Flow. First, drag and drop the character sheet into the prompt box like this. Then paste the prompt and send it. In under 30 to 40 seconds, our first image is generated. Rename it to 1 so we do not get confused with the sequence later. Now generate the rest of the images in the same way. Drag and drop the character sheet for every single image prompt. This part is very important. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the animation prompt for scene 1. Then come back to Google Flow. First, we set the generation settings. Generation type, video. Then ingredients, aspect ratio 16:9, model OmniFlash, duration 6 seconds, generation count 1x. This costs 10 credits per clip. First, drag and drop the scene 1 image into the prompt box, then paste the copied animation prompt and send it. In under 40 to 50 seconds, the video is generated. Let us take a look at it. This one did not come out right. That is common in video generation. We will simply regenerate it. Let us look at the regenerated one. This one looks good. Delete the previous one and keep this one. Rename it so the sequence stays correct later. Now generate the rest of the clips in the same way. To download a clip, right-click it or click these 3 dots on the clip you want. Then hover over the download button and select the quality you want. Free users only get 720p. Download the rest of the clips in the same way. Once they are downloaded, open a new tab in your browser and search for Clipchamp. Open it and log in with your account. After logging in, it brings you to this page. Now click the Create a New Video button. It takes you to the project page. Now click the Import Media button and import all the clips and the generated voiceover. Now drag and drop the voiceover into the timeline and line up the clips with what is being said in the voiceover. You may have to increase or decrease the speed of a clip, and you may have to trim it as well. That is basic editing, so I will fast forward through it. After the editing is complete, click the Export button here. A menu opens where you can select the quality you want and change the file name to whatever you want. Here, I'll stick to 1080p, rename it to Documentary 1 and click the Export button. In around 20 seconds, our video is exported. Let us take a look at it.
Antwerp, Belgium, 2003. A small crew targeted the city's heavily protected diamond district. They spent months studying the building's security, sensors, cameras, locks, one system after another. Then, they entered the vault. The hall was enormous. Diamonds, cash, and other valuables disappeared. By the time security discovered the breach, the crew was gone. The theft became known as the Antwerp Diamond Heist. The stolen fortune was never fully recovered.
The video looks fine. Now go back to ChatGPT, type done and send it. It asks us if we want a thumbnail prompt for this video, type yes and send it. It gives us the thumbnail prompt. Copy it, go to Google Flow, change the generation settings back to image the same way we did before, paste the prompt, drag and drop the character sheet image for reference and click generate. In 20 to 30 seconds, the thumbnail is generated. Let us take a look at it. It looks decent. Now go back to ChatGPT, type done and send it. It gives us a list of titles. Choose any one you want, copy it, paste it and send it. It then gives us the description and the tags for it. And that is how you can generate a documentary video and upload it on YouTube. Everything you saw here was made on free accounts. The prompt document is linked in the description. Copy it and make your own. If this saved your time, hit like and subscribe. I test a new free AI tool every single week. And if you want your AI character to stay exactly the same in every single scene, I have a full video on that. It's on screen now. Go and watch that one next. See you there.